Hello guys, welcome to CloudRaga. So from this video onwards, we are going to start a new framework or new topic, that is Hibernate. And the version we are going to pick for this series is 5.x. X can be like 5.1, 5.2 or maybe a 5.1 point something. So that's fine. That's why I'm just writing 5.x. And the JDK we are going to use, it's 14, that is Java 14 we are going to use. You guys are free to use any version, but I'll recommend, if you are following this video, so try to maintain your versions like I'm using. So JDK 14 should be here. Eclipse, it's 2022-03 version, that is March release, because they release these versions quarterly. So 3 for March. How can you check the version of Eclipse? Just open your tool, download that, and from help menu bar go for about Eclipse IDE, and it shows the version right here. So I've already mentioned that, copied and pasted here. And third, the Hibernate framework, that matters 5.x version. So and how about the JDK? So Java hyphen version, that will give us 14.0.2. So that clears that what kind of version we are going to use. So in next video we will see the topics which we will cover in Hibernate topic, and plus set up our workspace so we can write starting code into it. Thanks for watching this video guys. Let's meet in next session. Bye bye.